Danica at this moment. You okay? Yeah, it's a possibility. Are you okay, lady? Yeah? Yeah? It's a clever one, huh? No heart attacks? No? Not yet. Can you see something, Michelle? Nothing. Can you breathe? She can breathe, okay. She's nervous. Está muy nerviosa. Vamos a... Está tranquilo tú. Vamos a poner una música de un terremoto. Una música relajante esta mujer. I'm gonna ask the animation for a relax song, okay? That she can stay quiet. Please, can get some relax song. Relax. For Michelle. Relax. Yeah, I don't know. You can something. Meditation song. This sings, yes. Thank you. Señores, más de 50.000 mujeres han hecho esa parte del espectáculo antes de Michelle. No olvidamos que en la caja está una bastante gorda, pero por favor que no se preocupen, estamos muy orgullosos de decir a todos ustedes que en el último año solo 4 de ellas han muerto. As ladies and gentlemen, as more than 50,000 women did this part of the show all over the Canary Island before Super Michelle from England. As don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, I have a big snake in this case, quite big. But please don't worry everybody. We are very proud to say to all of you that in the last year, only 4 of them died. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. When I say uno, please everybody gonna scream uno, so loud as possible in Spanish. Vamos a repetir uno, todo el mundo muy fuerte por esa mujer. Vamos hasta el 3, Michelle, just don't move for no reason in the world. Don't forget to breathe. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. First time, we're gonna scream for Michelle, so loud as possible. Everybody, please. Uno! Relax, breathe, don't become nervous. And the second time for Michelle, we're gonna scream, DOS! So it's gonna be the last time. Attention is coming really heavy on your shoulder. You're going to last time. Gonna make it quiet, please, guys. Okay. Last time for Michelle, we're gonna scream all together. Everybody, please. Relax, here we go. Quiet, lady. Don't move the fingers, don't move nothing of the body, please. Don't move the fingers, it's coming up. This is normal, shall we just relax? God's name, okay? This is exploration full. Is it coming on the neck? Is quiet on? Here we go. Give her an applause. This is Super Michelle tonight. Big one. Le damos un aplauso a Michelle. Michelle, relax, they're gonna come out to you very slowly. I'm gonna take the blanket away. What kind of snake that you have on the next session? Vamos a quitarle la bendita, así que pueda ver de qué tipología de serpiente se trata. So here we go with Super Michelle from England. Here we go. Applause for Super Michelle. Bigger applause. This is a beautiful one. Michelle, you can hold it. It's not slapping. You can hold it here. It's beautiful. Yeah. It's almost like husband, yes? Almost. Okay? Yes, thank you. I have to say thank you, Michelle, where you can hold it here as well. I have to say sorry for the joke, yeah? That is for making the nerves quiet for the real one. And showing how it's working a ballistic snake, yeah? That's because we have a prejudice, yeah? This is not a baby, it's a 20-kilo beetle python lady, 3 meters long, and all what she wanna do is kissing Michelle or coming to mommy. Yes, I'm here. This is a beautiful puppy. It's a beautiful one. Señores, he dicho muchísimas gracias. La mujer es muy valiente. También le tengo que decir, perdón para la broma, es para los ciervos, para enseñar lo que hace una serpiente de plástico. Son 20 kilitos, son 3 metros. La rubia, el único que hace intenta venir a besarse mamá, que es una mametona, is a very shy snake. As ladies and gentlemen, this is Michelle with Marilyn Monroe. No more and no less. We give to my big one. So thank you very much, Michelle. I will wear you for. Michelle, thank you so much. You're more. Kissing, no kissing.